Hey, what's happening, peeps? This is Carlton Lewis, aka Mellow Melanin, aka Mega Businessman, coming to you live and direct. And this video is going to be for my part-time drivers or people who are thinking about driving part-time who want to earn extra money driving for Uber and Lyft. Stay tuned. All right. What's happening to my rideshare road warriors? This is Carlton Lewis, aka Mellow Melanin, aka Mega Businessman, coming to you live and direct from Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport, the busiest airport in the world. I'm waiting on a private. There you go. You see a big Spirit plane in the background. And I just wanted to give you guys that little candy shot. I'm gonna hop back in the car and go ahead and give you guys these nuggets where it's a little quiet at. All right, so today we're going to talk about how to earn extra money driving for Uber and Lyft, and this is for my part-time drivers or people who are thinking about becoming part-time. So I got my little tablet here, and I actually, I do a lot of SEO research for these topics, and I look for what people are putting in the search engine, what questions they have, and I go after those. I look to answer those questions. So when you see my videos, a lot of time I put some thought into these videos, and sometimes they're on the fly, but a video like this, I'm putting thought into it. So I wanted to talk to you guys about this morning, right? How to make extra money driving for Uber and Lyft, specifically directed toward my part-time people and anybody that's been watching my videos in the past or any other videos online on YouTube. You probably know some of these things, and maybe you don't, or maybe you know them and you need a refresher. So let's get it started. It's really not that much of a difference, but of the mindset. The mindset pretty much is the same, between a part-time driver and a full-time driver. The main thing about a part-time driver is they have some other stream of income that they're dedicated to. With us being full-time out here, this is the bread, you know what I mean? This is the bread and butter. And even us full-time drivers, we need to always make sure we have multiple streams of income. I tell you guys that all the time. Make sure you have multiple streams of income. All right, so let's get it started. I got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 2 bonus tips. All right, so the first thing you want to do, if you're a part-time driver, you just want to make some extra money. If you have a job, like here in Atlanta, some people drive an hour and a half to 2 hours to get to their job. And I can't do anything about the plane noises in the background. I'm at the airport. So you guys, we just got to deal with it, right? So if you got a long commute, take advantage of that. Set your destination filter from your home to your job and pick people up along the way. That's going to help you cover gas money. That's going to, allow you to network with some people. And, that's a good way to just generate some extra income. Part-time, easy money, easy money. And I would suggest taking advantage of that. If you're not afraid of people and you just want to make some extra income, you'll be surprised how much money you can make just doing that, just doing that during rush hour. That's a really good way to do it. Number 2, work on the weekends. Make sure you are working on the weekends. Weekends are typically pretty busy, pretty steady throughout the day, Saturday and Sunday. A lot of people may be taking short trips. It just depends, but you'll generally stay busy. Now, if you want to work at night, overnight Fridays and Saturdays, that's a great bulk of money, but just know that you're going to have a different type of caliber of rider. A lot of times you got people drinking, they're having fun, it's just, you got to deal with that. And if you're okay with that, then you'll make some money. Let's see, weeknights. The weeknights. So even, let's say you're doing your job, right? And you want to get off, you get off, you've done your little destination filter thing that I gave you in tip 1. And so you get out and you drive for the weekends. And you get out, you drive in the weeknights. And you can generally pick up like people going to dinner from like, from like 6 to 9 or whatever. Going and coming from dinner, 6 to 9 is a pretty good time to pick up some rides, make some extra money. All right, the next one, be aware of events. And this is number 4. Be aware of events in your city. So whether it's like a convention or a sporting event, some kind of festival, something like that that's going on, drive during those events, steady supply of rides. So you gotta check out your events in your city to make sure, you can generate some extra money during those events. Number 5, and then I got 2 bonus ones. Number 5, we got incentives. Sometimes Uber and Lyft, they give you incentives to drive at a particular time, and if you can fit that into your schedule, because you still gotta work a schedule, still gotta make it work for you. So if you can fit these incentives into your schedule, like sometimes they'll have 3, if you do 3 rides in the morning, they'll give you a certain amount of money. Those are quests on Uber. Same thing with Lyft with the streak. If you do a certain amount of rides continuously, they'll give you some money. And if you can do that, if you can fit that into your schedule, then that's easy money. That's extra money. All right, so the 2 bonus ones, I talk about this all the time. The first bonus, which is tip number 6, is to have a clean car. Make sure you have a clean car. People like clean cars. They will tip you because your car is clean. I've gotten private rides from people saying, hey man, I really like your car. Your car is clean. I feel comfortable in your car, and you'd be surprised how much extra money that's going to make you. And the last thing is something I always tell you guys, is how you get plenty of tips and how to make extra money, is to have a pleasing personality. Have a pleasing personality. So when you meet people, be very, very cordial to them. I'm not saying you got to kiss their butt or brown nose or do anything crazy like that, but go out, make sure you treat them like you want to be treated. Treat them with kindness. They're getting into your car, they're getting into your environment, welcome them into your environment. This is easy, guys. It is so easy to generate money doing this. All right, now being smart with the money and learning how to manage the money, that's something else for a different topic and a different video, but you got to learn how to do that too. But if you just want to make some extra money driving for Uber and Lyft, these are some ways that you can do it. These are not the only ways, but these are some of the quickest ways you can earn additional money. All right, I hope you got some value out of this video. If you did, like it. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe and hit the bell, the alert bell, so you'll know when the next time I'm doing a video. And make sure you share this with somebody. There may be somebody that that's thinking about driving part-time or full-time for Uber, and if so, check the links out in the description. There are some links. They'll give you there are links for Uber, there are links for Lyft. There's all kind of links in the description that can help you become a better driver and to actually get you started. All right, so like I said, I hope you got some value out of this video, and I will see you guys on the next one. This has been Carlton Lewis, aka Mellow Melanin, aka Mega Businessman, coming to you live and direct from Atlanta, Hartsfield Jackson Atlanta Airport. And I'm still the Southeast Beast, the Conquering Chief, your highness, the finest, prosperity done, #1. And this video is a wrap. Peace.